Welcome to another new episode of Book Tales by Preetha, and this is Preetha here. I'm back to YouTube after a prolonged gap of 1.5, 2 or 2.5 months. I think the last video that I made was posted anywhere between 15 to 20 June 2021. Since then, I was not on YouTube. The reason being the demise of my father on 7th August 2021. I think all content creators will agree that apart from research, ideation, motivation, one thing that you need to create a good content is a correct frame of mind. I'm sorry, for this long time I was not in that state, and after so many days I have gathered the strength to create a content on YouTube where I will tell how this life is going on, and this video is predominantly a life update video rather than a bookish video. So those who are expecting a bookish content in this video, I will say that please wait for my next content, because I'm making some interesting content and hope to post them very soon. So if you want to know what is going on in my life in Book Tales by Preetha in the coming days, then do watch this video till the very end. I don't want to begin this part of the video by saying hello and welcome to another new content and start talking about the content, but over here I just want to say that what losing one of my parents has taught me is life goes on and change is the only constant in life, and that is the present statement on my Facebook profile DP as well, because the people that you have grown up to, or the people you have gone when there were problems in your life, because you know whenever you go to these particular people your problems will be solved, but today that person is not there. So you know what happens, you have to accept it and take the charge of your life. I'm 36 today, and till now I don't know what does growing older means, but yes, a particular incident has taught me that growing older means taking charge of your responsibilities, and that is what makes you mentally older and stronger. How you face the situation, the difficult situation that you are seeing in your life, certain situation which were happening in your life all of a sudden, certain situation you don't know how to deal with it or how to cope up with it, how you take up the charge of your life, how you carry forward the rest of your life is what makes you older and stronger. Now let me talk a little bit what I had been doing all these days. I have another accessories and apparel brand called Trinket, wherein I think most of you know by now that I sell apparels, accessories and other day-to-day things. Now since the festive season is coming, so I am very busy creating content for my online brand Trinket. If you want to check out the new collection, then do check it out on my Instagram handle, which is by the name trinket.org.in. As far the YouTube content is concerned, in this past 4-5 months I was not very regular with my reading, but I have read some books like Persepolis, Hungry Tide, Atomic Habits, Ugly Love, Midnight Library, to name some of them, the names which just came in my mind. I also read the Almacate of Naval Ravikant, and each of the books that I am telling, these are the books that I have really completed after, like, you know what happens when we take up some books, we start reading it, but later on we don't enjoy reading the whole book. Several such books also I have read in 2021, but these were the books that I have completed and I have enjoyed reading them. So I am planning to create separate sections in Book Tales by Preetha, wherein there will be more of book reviews, because I see that the book reviews that I post on my channel, Book Tales by Preetha, gets more views. So obviously, to some extent, increasing number of views are an important motivational factor for any YouTuber. So I am thinking of creating full-fledged book reviews apart from book recommendation videos. Also, I am also planning to create certain content which would be dedicated to certain authors, and I am trying to complete the complete works of some of the authors, and I would discuss their work in specific videos. I also plan to do something with my another interest, which is I watch a lot of films and movies, and I want to know your opinion. Just like book reviews, would you be interested if I make reviews on content which I see in the OTT platform, or would you like any recommendation on those? I used to make content on films and web series, but I was not very regular with it. This channel was mostly dedicated with content mainly focusing on books and book recommendation, but since film is also a section wherein I have worked in the movie marketing sector for about 10 or 12 years in Kolkata. I work as a professional PR and marketing consultant in movies and lifestyle domain. So I was thinking, why not talk about good content that we see online? Why not recommend the good content that we see online? Because you know, everyone, like with whom I'm talking and everything, each and every individual is going through a low phase in the last 1.5 years. At least that is what my experience is. If you have some different opinion or experience on this, please share it in the comment section. I would like to make lighter content on this channel, so that the content interests you and so that more and more people watch my content. And I would like to talk on the relevant topics apart from some of the videos wherein I will talk about something that is going on in my life. Maybe I will talk about some productivity hack which has impacted me. Like recently, I just completed this particular book, Atomic Habit by James Clear. And one thing that I very much like and I want to implement in my day-to-day life is where James Clear is telling that it is very important to create a system. Until and unless you create a system, it is very difficult to achieve what you want, and I completely agree to it. Nowadays, I have tried to I don't know how much successful I would be, but I have tried to create system wherein I am trying to focus on my YouTube channel, on my online brand Trinket, on my reading books, and I am trying to do those activities in day-to-day everyday life so that I can make a successful habit out of it. Because just reading won't help me until and unless I talk about what I liked about a book, what I didn't like about it. How will I share my opinion on a particular thing? And as an individual, I think if I can benefit the people who are watching this content in a little way, that would give me a self-satisfaction. That is the only purpose of creating this YouTube channel, wherein I try to create more and more content that gives me satisfaction, that gives me interest. And from now on, I have decided not to follow the rat race, but take as much time to read a book, get satisfied with reading that particular book, and then talk to you in details about that particular book. What are your feedback on the content that you would like to see on my channel or my Instagram handle, Booktales by Preetha? How do you want me to grow my Facebook group by the name Booktales by Preetha? Are you a member of my Facebook group, Booktales by Preetha? If you are not, then do join it, because I want to know your opinion on different books. Maybe we can work out like a book club and discuss about a specific book after a number of people read a particular book in the Facebook group. Till there is joint discussion, I think it helps to place the opinion to greater number of people, and in that way also we can help the writers, the author, the publishing community in a small way. So this was majorly what I wanted to say in this particular video. By now you must have understand why I have given this title, why I was away from YouTube for this gap of about 2.5-3 months. I don't promise, but I will try to make content on a regular basis now, and I will try to follow certain systems which I have made for making this YouTube platform a successful one. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I will come up with another new video very soon, which will be a book review video, which I will be talking about the book Persepolis, because I completed this book on May 2021, and the scenario in Afghanistan, the Taliban attack, somewhat made me choose this particular book for my next video content and for my next book review. Do watch that video and do share your feedback on these sort of graphical novels, and what are the graphical novels you liked and why you liked them. So, and also do not forget to like my channel and do hit the subscribe button, because if you hit the subscribe button, then you get notified whenever a new content is posted on Booktales by Preetha. Till the next video, tata, goodbye, and have a great day.